Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with Calvin from the Steampunk Extras set for Zombicide Undead or Alive. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Gory red for his genes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I grabbed Magenta and added the pink to the hoverboard and the shadow colour for the shirt. This might be a bit vibrant for this shirt, but I am lacking in the pastel colour department in my paints. For all of the exposed skin, I went for sunny skin tone. To try and soften up the shirt a bit, I added a highlight with Squid pink, just leaving that magenta in the recesses. Highlighting up the jeans, I went for flat red over all of the raised areas and the folds. He has a belt and a bandana that I painted with British khaki. Finishing off the shirt, I had a final highlight using mummy robes. This is a pinkish white that I'm hoping will soften the colour down a bit more desaturated towards the end. The tassel type things around his neck get a quick base coat of yellow to really make them stand out against that pink. For his trainers, I used off-white. This is also used for the white part around his neck piece. Adding some depth to the tassels, I add some pale yellow in the centers of these, just leaving that yellow between them. Moving on to the longest part of the Mini, I paint all of the metal parts with plate armor. This isn't as much as I thought it would be, but the hoverboard still took quite a bit of time than I thought it would do. To break up the silver and add some variation, I paint on some of the metal parts using glorious gold. The base, as with all my Zombicide minis, gets done with Plague Brown. To wash the Mini, I went with a thin down light tone wash over everything. All of these colours are pretty vibrant and the wash sort of dulls them down a bit and helps it look a bit more coherent. Finishing off the base, I add a sandy desert texture paste. And that will be it for Calvin. The sculpt of this Mini is one of the better ones from this set, and I probably could have put a bit more effort into the face now I'm looking at the photos, but it was nice and quick and that's good enough for the tabletop. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this Mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.